Okay, so this is a Prezi that I found on organization and social media. I'm recording in full screen mode just to see what happens. And I want to use this for my class so that I can record tutorials for students to view in light of or in lieu of me doing a lecture. I'm going into full screen mode, and I'm just going to click forward on the arrow keys and see what happens on this Prezi. Anatomy of a social-powered customer service win. How to use social media to delight customers. Introduction. Way beyond the help desk. Social media has changed the way we all serve and support our customers. The case you're about to experience is based on the kind of real cases that we see every day as we work with clients to drive superior customer service through social channels. I'm not going to read all of this. I'm just going to make notes, vocal notes or audio notes about screen layouts, fonts, and so forth. I like the way this thing's laid out. It's simple. It shows the message up in the top left corner with the time that the tweet originally came into this service. Customer was angry, tweeted that he hated the company. I hate SunCloud's travel. I specified vegan meals, and the exorbitant hotel they put me in doesn't do vegan. Hashtag disappointed. 10:06. Nice simple graphics. I'm not going to read it. Just tapping through. Again, very simple graphics. I like the background. You can see this subtle thing with the cloud back here. So all of this is happening in the cloud, and it's a really nice motif. I also like the Salesforce logo down here at the bottom. That stays there throughout the entire presentation. Prezi can get a little dizzying. Anyone that has problem with vertigo should probably be very careful when they look at Prezis, because you can get probably dizzy watching this thing. Again, very simple graphics. You can see bits and pieces of the Prezi, including this negative space treatment over here on the outside of the cloud. Very nicely designed and framed screen. Simple graphics for the different characters. You go back one. You can see her head here with this star thing on it and her little name tag. And here she is again down here. This represents, again, the cloud and how different people within the cloud who are associated with this business and or service interact and recognize challenges when they are noted. So this is all part of several services that you'll see at the end. Again, it's very informative and also very step-by-step following through. This whole layout in Prezi, it's kind of cool, is all one large graphic, and then the presenter can set up the frames and move around in the frames and rotate to fit the presentation. Communication, again, the cloud motif in the background, very subtle, very nicely designed, simple graphics. Crowdsourcing. Let me go back here. Another nice motif, you can see over here the outline of an airplane. So it denotes travel, but it also, since airplanes are in the clouds, it's a nice sort of pun of being in the cloud as well as in the clouds. This must be a businessman or a hotel manager or something with this hotel on top of his head. Nice little goatee going on here. Gets the message out to a bunch of people via the cloud and via whatever this service is called. Crowd power and or cloud power. So this just shows the various communications and conversations that are going on. There's some customer service happening from another customer. Imagine seeing this on a big whiteboard as it was noted and taken apart and built all in one large area. And then Prezi was used to link them sequentially to create this story. Again, very simple, large headlines, a couple of type treatments. This is sort of a running clock. We started at 10:06, so it's only been 29 minutes so far. Really large, sparsely worded. Nice subhead here with the text in very legible text. Sans serif. So this is all the follow-up. Moral of the story, socialize your customer service and you'll delight more customers faster and at lower cost. But it helps to have a really good social media monitoring platform, a fantastic employee social network for your company, a cloud-based service platform that connects to both, and some nice people to use it all. Again, here's this same treatment showing different graphics that we've seen throughout the presentation, as well as this one here, which is a little difficult to read, but it's basically a person with a headset on as part of the cloud. Story has been brought to you by Salesforce.com, the company behind things like Radian 6, the leading social media monitoring and engagement platform, Chatter, the amazing employee social network for your company, Service Cloud, the cloud-based service platform that works seamlessly with both, not to mention some other great products that aren't relevant here. And all the links which are not live. So I can't click on these and have anything happen, but I could probably do a screen capture and run it through text recognition software so that I didn't have to type it all out. Otherwise, I could just not be lazy and type it all out. Not quite sure what the seals are down here, or the sea lions. Thank you, Salesforce. So this presentation ran about 9 minutes, and I'm noticing now that in fact, even though those hyperlinks did not seem to be live, this is one of the hyperlinks to Salesforce, so that Prezi did include the links. So I don't have to do all that rigmarole that I thought I might. So I can close all these down, quit this, and stop the Prezi.